Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I am Rabia Ehsan from the University of Faisalabad. Today, we're gonna have a short discussion on retinitis pigmentosa, which is called night blindness. The agenda of my presentation is to discuss what is retinitis pigmentosa, what causes it, what are the signs and symptoms, and how we can diagnose it, and what are the treatment options available presently. Retinitis pigmentosa is a genetic disorder that you inherit from your parents, grandparents, and great grandparents. Your eyes contains rods and cones which are light sensitive cells. Rods are responsible for night vision and the side vision which is called peripheral vision, while cones are responsible for color vision and central vision. Retinitis pigmentosa causes degeneration of rods and cones. Primarily, rods are affected, which can lead to the loss of the peripheral vision and night blindness. Later on in life, cones are affected, which can lead to loss of color perception and central vision loss. In this slide, I am showing you the comparison of a normal individual versus RP individual vision during day and night time. This is the photographs of the back of the eye, which is called fundus of the normal and the RP patient. As you can see, RP patient has a narrowing of the arteries and the veins, which make them thread-like and attenuated. Optic disc has a pale, waxy appearance, and you can also see the deposition of pigments along the vessel wall in the periphery of the retina called bone spicules or pigmentary bone corpuscles. As I have already explained that retinitis pigmentosa is a genetic disorder which is caused by mutation in more than 50 different genes that leads to retinitis pigmentosa. Another cause that leads to retinitis pigmentosa is deficiency of vitamin A in your diet. Some genes that causes retinitis pigmentosa which become really deadly are XLR, AD and AR. Mutation in XLR gene is really severe that could lead to blindness very quickly, while AR is less dangerous than XLR. Even though retinitis pigmentosa is considered a rare disorder that affects 1 in 4,000 people worldwide, there are almost 2 million individuals affected by retinitis pigmentosa presently. It is really severe in rural area in South Asia, where its presence never increasing 1 in 372 individuals. But worrisome factor for us is that 20% of the children attending blind school in our country are affected by retinitis pigmentosa. Chief complaint of the patient with retinitis pigmentosa is difficulty in night vision, which eventually leads into tunnel vision. Tunnel vision is just the central vision with no side vision. As your age increases with retinitis pigmentosa, central vision deteriorates too, and eventually it can lead to blindness. Another symptom of retinitis pigmentosa is photopsia. Photopsia is seeing flashes of light in the field of vision. Currently, there is no effective treatment to stop the progression of retinitis pigmentosa, but different therapies treat the symptoms of retinitis pigmentosa and helps to prolong the vision and delay the onset of blindness. Some of these therapies include supplements of vitamin A, E, omega-3 rich diet that can provide additional 20 years of the useful vision for the adults if start in early adulthood. Diagnosis is based on different confirmatory tests that an optometrist performs. These are via acuity tests to check the accuracy of the central vision, color vision test to measure the function of cones, dark adaptation test to examine the sensitivity to light, EOG, ARG, these are the diagnostic tests to measure the function of retina. Retinitis pigmentosa patient is treated as a low vision person in advanced stage, which help them to perform activities of daily life. Patients are usually prescribed with dark sunglasses and advised to use the red filters which enhance the contrast. We can also assist them in providing low vision aids in the form of magnifying glasses, stand magnifiers and telescopes. No specific treatment is yet commercially available, but modalities such as stem cell transplant and retinal implants show promising results for future. Thank you so much for your precious time you have invested in watching this presentation, and please don't forget to like, share with your friends, values, family members, teachers and peers.